Hi, my name is Chasity Roye, and I'm a certified nurse midwife, and this is part 5 of our series, Midwifery Support During Labor and Birth. What makes midwifery care special during labor and delivery? It's our presence. At Adriatica Women's Health, our CNMs rotate a call schedule, so there's a midwife on call every day. That means when it's time for you to give birth, you'll be supported by someone you've already met, someone who knows your preferences, honors your voice, and is ready to walk alongside you through your labor. Our nurse midwives are deeply supportive during active labor. We stay by your side to help with position changes, monitor your baby's well-being, offer reassurance, and encourage you through each contraction. We also love working alongside doulas to create a calm, grounded, and nurturing environment that puts your needs first. This is what patient-centered care means to us: being present, listening closely, and supporting you with compassion and respect as you bring your baby into the world.